What's up, everybody? This is Precious once again. Use your early morning urine to attract money, love, and favor. Okay? This is a very powerful spiritual tips that I don't want to joke about at all. Alright? On this channel, we do spiritual tips, and we do it with deep faith, believe that things are going to work for us. Okay, if you're somebody that is already thinking, okay, how am I going to use my urine? How am I going to use my early morning urine to attract money? How is that going to work? If you're already having that kind of question, then you're already doubting the effectiveness of this spiritual work. So don't worry about it. All right, this is for people that have a very strong belief that this is going to work for them. Okay. This is a deep secret that our forefathers have used. They used it during their time, and we are still using it in our current time, and it works until tomorrow. Okay, so use your early morning urine to attract money, love, and favor. If you are somebody that is having a lot of money problems, you are having a lot of love problems, you are having a lot of favor problems. What do I mean? You're always having disappointment when it comes to relationship, when it comes to marriage. You know, people wouldn't come for you. You don't have any man in your life, you don't have any woman in your life, you are never lucky, you're always very disappointed. Okay, get what I'm saying? You're always depressed. You know, if you're somebody that you lack money, you are in poverty, you know, you're always begging people for money. You get what I'm saying? You are even working at a job, but all you earn is a little amount of money, or you don't even have a job at all. You have a business, but the business is as good as failure. It doesn't work for you at all. You go from morning till night, no sales. You know, that's a very strong spiritual problem right there that you really have to do something about. So that's why we're using this. Use your early morning urine to attract money, love, and favor. Imagine how your life will be if you are able to attract money right now. You are able to attract favor. You are able to attract love. You'll be happy, right? Okay, if you love this, I want you to continue to watch this video. Okay, it's going to be very simple, but it's a very simple spiritual work, but it's very mighty. Okay, and please have your strong faith and your belief that this is going to work, because that's going to be the tool for this to work for you. All right, so all you have to do is just get your early morning urine. When I say early morning urine, it is your urine that you have right from midnight, or maybe from 3 a.m. in the morning up to like 5 a.m. in the morning. Just make sure that you collect your urine. You can have your container or a glass cup or something. It doesn't have to be too much. You get what I'm saying? So keep peeing in that bottle or that glass cup. Okay, so from 3 a.m. in the morning to like 5 a.m. in the morning, that's the urine that you need, because you have to do this spiritual work early in the morning. You get what I'm saying? So once you have your urine ready like that, just get some salt and add it to it. Okay, if you have some honey, add it into it. All right, salt, honey, that's the two other ingredients that you need, salt and honey. It doesn't have to be too much. Just add about half tablespoon of sea salt. Add it into it, and add some honey, maybe about 1 tablespoon of honey. Add it into it and mix it together very well. And while you do that, you have to make a very strong prayer. Make your intentions that you know what you want to attract right now. You want to attract money. You want to attract love. You want to attract favor. You know where the shoe pinches. You know what your problems are. Okay, don't be quiet. Tell God Almighty what the problem is. That you are using your early morning urine as a point of contact to attract money, love, and favor into your life right now. That you want all the negative energies in your life to disappear. That you want all the problems of promise and fail to disappear, that you want all the problem of lack of progress to disappear, that you want the problem of lack of job to disappear. Keep mentioning all these problems, and anybody can do it, whether you are old, whether you are young, as long as you understand what spiritual tips is, as long as you desire to solve your spiritual problems. Okay, you can use your early morning urine to attract money, love, and favor. Okay, these are very powerful spiritual tips. So make all your intentions on it. Once you've done that, then this urine is no longer ordinary urine. It's now very powerful. It's now very charged. It's now ready for the spiritual work. So now you're going to get your bath water, because you have to take your bath. You get what I'm saying? That's the first step, because you already blessed this, you already prayed into it. Then get your bath water ready. Then you have to add this urine, add it all to it. Okay, because this bath, you have to do this bath for like 3 to 5 days. Okay, 3 to 5 days, and you have to do this early in the morning. So each time you have to get your urine, do the same prayer that I said, or you pray as your spirit leads. Whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a traditionalist, anybody can do this. This is not fetish. Okay, this is not gross. This is not diabolical. It is you are just doing this, to make things happen for good in your life. You get what I'm saying? So once you're done that, add this to your bath water and get your sponge. Okay, get your local sponge. If you don't have a local sponge, get your sponge, but don't use the one you're using, your regular sponge. Make sure it's new. You get what I'm saying? A new sponge. Then don't use soap at all. You can do your normal bath before this bath. Do your normal bath first. Okay, then do this. When you're using this one with your urine, the urine that you had to your bath, don't use soap, don't use towel. Just use that water from your head down to your toes. Keep rubbing it all over your body and start casting out all these problems, the negative energies, the negativity, the lack of failure, the lack of job, poverty, everything that you are going through. Keep mentioning it again and pray fervently while you are pouring the water all over your body from your head down to your toes. So once you've done that, don't dry your body. Let the water dry on you, and you have to do this early in the morning. Remember, the urine is from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Okay, so and you do this just when you are waking up by 5 a.m. before you talk to anybody, before you speak to anybody, before you do anything at all, before you even brush your mouth. You have to do this bath early in the morning. You get what I'm saying? Once you've done that, everything is done. Go about your business. You can go back to sleep if you still want to sleep. If you want to go to work, get ready and go. You know what I'm saying? You might be asking me, okay, how am I going to go with the urine in my body? All you have to do, let's say your work starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. You do this bath at 5, right? You still have a few hours just before you go to your work. You can rinse your body. You can rinse your body after, or take your body. You just have to leave this on to let it dry on you for just a few hours, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. That's it. After that, you can rinse your body again and just go about your normal business. Do it the first night, the second night, the third night, if you are doing it for 3 nights. If you are doing it for 5 nights, do it the first night, second night, third night, fourth night, and fifth night. And you will see that you will attract a lot of money, you will attract big money, you will attract favor, you will attract love. Use your early morning to attract big money, love, and favor. Of course, this is definitely going to work for you. Go right ahead and do this and come back with your testimony. I'll be waiting here to read your testimony. You know I love you so much. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share these videos with other people, with your family members, with your friends. Okay, let other people enjoy too. Let them learn about these spiritual tips too. All right, remember to subscribe now to this channel, and please turn on the notification bell so that you can always get my videos every time I upload them. All right, I'm going to see you in my next video. You know I love you so much, and I'm sure that you love me. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. They're going to definitely help your life. All right, see you. Bye bye.